Here's the Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the driver's side door. Right over there at the bottom is the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of the Toyota emblem, put one finger in there and then push it left. You're pushing on the secondary hood release lever. When you push left, lift up the hood. This is how the lever works. Now this hood requires a prop rod to stay in place. So grab the rod, put it right over there in that slot, and now it's secured. Let's start with the passenger side bulb. That's the bulb right over there. The way to access it is you go behind it, and that gray bulb holder, that's the one. Yep, just grab it, twist it left, and out it comes. And now you should be able to just get the bulb out by pulling it straight. You may have to wiggle the bulb a little bit, but it comes right out. The bulb size is 744 NA. Check the link in the description to buy the new one from Amazon. Get the new bulb and then just push it down back in the bulb holder to secure it. And now when you put in the bulb holder back in the light, you may have to do some twisting and turning before it just drops in. See, it may not just drop in like this easily. So you may have to do some twisting and turning before it drops in like this and sets flush. At this point, just twist your right to lock it, and we are done here. See how easy the process was? Let's do it again now for the driver's side. That's the bulb. Again, the way to access it is behind this gray bulb holder, twist it left, and it's out. Same bulb, 744 NA. Put the bulb back in, and once it sits in flush like this, twist your right to lock it. Now let's just go ahead and try it out to make sure it's working fine. In the car, we will turn on the four-way flashers. And let's see, the driver's side is working fine, and so is the passenger side. And that is great. Hope you found it useful. To close the hood, first push on the hood and get load off the prop rod. Get the rod out of that slot and put it back in its place. Lower the hood and slam it shut. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.